Welcome to the KMC Commander IoT Platform video series. Previously in this series, we have installed the KMC Commander Gateway, established devices on the network, and set up the dashboard. In this video, we focus on the Data Explorer. You can find the Data Explorer under the cube icon in the menu. This feature allows you to explore the database using tag-based search tools. First and foremost, note that any changes you make will be saved without needing to hit a Save button. Changes take place immediately and there is no way to undo, so proceed cautiously. To search, enter the tag you would like to search for on the data query line located at the top left of the screen. For our example, let's type in point. This will bring up all data points being pulled. Other common searches include device, which shows all the devices on this installation, or curval, which pulls all the data points from those devices. Let's take a closer look at search results. Scrolling down, you can see all the different points for this project. Scroll to the right and you will move through information on these points, ranging from the device pulling the point, a brief description, current value, whether the point is writable, the point type, and more. You can make changes to settings from this page. Just click on the line of text and the blue bar appears below it. This means that you can now edit the text. Make the changes and deselect the information. Your edit is now saved. You could also delete devices and points from the KMC Commander platform by clicking the trash can icon on the far right of the data table. You could also download the search results as a CSV file by selecting the CSV button. One important thing to note regarding the Data Explorer: it is intended to be a tech tool for troubleshooting purposes. While it is extremely helpful to edit settings right where you found the problem, it is also easy to accidentally make changes that could have repercussions throughout the whole platform, such as deleting devices or points from the system. We urge caution when making changes here since they can't simply be undone by hitting a button. And remember, our technical support team is always available to help if needed. For more information about KMC Commander, please check out our other videos in this series, and to learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.